Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a word counter. So to create a word counter, we're going to first input our text, and once we do that, then we're going to write some code to split the text up into words, and then we're going to count how many words there are. So to do this, you just write simply this function, and I'm going to say enter text and just put some spacing there, and I'm going to store this in a variable. After doing that, we're going to take this and call a function on it. So the split function will split the text into a number of words. Okay, and it's going to store it into in a list. So let's give that a variable as well. I'm going to call it words. Okay, we have a variable called words, which is a list, and it has the total number of words that are separated by x. But before I put this in a variable, or actually let's just leave it in a variable, I'm going to run this to show you what effect this would have. So let's run this. It's going to ask me for input. I'm going to say hello everyone. So this is the effect that it has. It separates each word into an element. So it's really simple. What you just do, you add the len function, which will tell you the length of the list, and then we have enter text. So once again, we just enter some text in here. I'm gonna say the big fox jumped over the lazy dog, and you can see it's 8 words long. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 words. So there we go, simple as that.